We're here in the Pacific Northwest. We're going to be hiking, we're going to be foraging, looking for mushrooms, morels, Matsutake, and some Chanterelles. It's a little late in the season, but this place is known to have some later blooms, so we'll see how it goes. We have some berries, some salmon berries up here. Let's see if I can get a close up. Salmon berries. You know, down here at the beginning of the hike is where we find a lot of oyster mushrooms. So this is what oyster mushrooms grow out of. They fall in about 1 to 2 years. They can get inoculated with the spores. Here's another one. This guy right here. There's a whole bunch coming up. Once they get inoculated and it rains, they all pop out. This is a log that usually has mushrooms. You can see the kind of some fungus growing all out of this thing. So in a few months, it'll be the main mushroom season again, and this place will be popping with late oyster mushrooms. Meaty, juicy, a little slimy, a little bitter. Goodness. Tell you what, hiking on a nice day, don't even care if I don't find mushrooms. Some little oysters growing out of the birch, the alderwood. All right, cool stuff. So these are pretty good, you know, if they were bigger, that would be awesome, but they're not. And those white ones are the early spring oyster mushrooms, which aren't really my favorite. They tend to get a little more buggy too, so towards fall, winter, that's when you see the late oyster ones are a little more yellow. They're a lot thicker, meatier, and less bugs associated with them. Winded. Proof of mushroom right here. Nothing really edible, nothing good, but it's a good sign. So we're gonna hike back up here on the path. Oh, keep looking. Massive oyster mushrooms. A little dry. I'm gonna leave him here. Alright, in years past, I've found Matsutake up here. So I know where the mycelium is, and I just gotta wait till the right time to come pick them when they sprout up. You know, this view is pretty awesome. It gets better. It gets better than this, but I mean, you know, hiking, looking for mushrooms, this good scenery, good exercise. you know, that's what it's all about right here. That's where we were shrimping the other day. That island right there. Bear berries. Because humans don't like them because they taste terrible, but bears love them. To the top. This is what it's all about. Alright, look at this view. Look at this. Amazing. Look at this day. Shrimping out there the other day. Now we're hiking up here looking for mushrooms. Doesn't get any better than this. Well guys, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.